Hello, students. So we saw how to find the inverse of a function graphically. Now we're going to see how we can find the inverse of a function algebraically. And we will begin with a very simple function. Our first function is going to be a linear function, such as this one, 3y equals 3x plus 2. Now, there are two very simple steps to finding the inverse of a function algebraically. The first step is to do what we call the variable interchange. That means we change y for x. So we do step 1 would be x equals 3y plus 2. Then in the second step, what we do is we solve for y. So step 2 would mean doing all the algebra. In this case, it would mean to start with, we would subtract 2 from both sides. I'm going to continue the operation over here. And finally, we would divide both sides by 3. That would give us the inverse function, x minus 2 over 3, which is also written in its notation, which would be f to the negative 1, which is the notation we utilize for inverse functions. F to the negative 1 of x is going to be equal to x minus 2 over 3. In general, this is the way to find the inverse of a function algebraically. Once again, what do we do first? We do variable interchange, and then we solve for y. What makes the process complicated is that sometimes we are faced with functions that are more complicated, yet the process is still the same. Thank you very much.